Guys, I'm taking my evening walk as usual, and I just want to show you around where I will show you around the field. As normally come and do my evening walk and at least feel good than staying indoors. I'm in this process of healing, so guys, I should like walk and yeah, and sit even sometimes somewhere, do my write some of the things that I'm going through or how I feel, yeah, for my every Monday therapy. So guys, if you're new here, my name is Penina the Grace and you're welcome in the home of Grace. In this channel, I share my life stories. So guys, today I've just decided to take you around and see where I normally come to walk, my evening walk. Guys, I normally walk and yes, at least to change environment, to have fresh air, and I love nature. Guys, I love nature. So this is the exact place that I normally come. It is not that far from where I live. So guys, this is a garden, and this garden is a barley garden, and yeah, so it has already been harvested, and so I normally come here because I love nature. I can come and see some birds flying. I also see there are some cows, there are sheep. There's so many things that are happening around here. So today I just want to take you around with me as I walk, and yeah, so keep watching. So when coming here, I normally don't come empty-handed. I have water, I have an exercise book with a pen. I always have my purse whereby I have some little cash. Maybe when going back at home, I can pass and buy something when going back at home. I also have my key, and I also have earphone and a phone to listen to the music. Yeah. And guys, around here, you discover that there are people that are living around here, okay? Yes, people are living around here, and that's why I'm showing you around to see there are people that are living around here. It is not that empty, and this place, it's only good, let me say, daytime, okay? It is normally good daytime, but at night, you can't pass this route. You can't pass over here. It is somehow very, very risky. And guys, these are food for cow. There are some cows that are doing zero grazing, so this is the place where the owner can come and cut such kind to the cows. Okay, yeah, for those cows that are doing zero grazing. Guys, this is Irish potato. This is how it looks like. If you have ever never seen Irish potato leaves, these are Irish potato. Okay, wale wenye wanajua waru, sasa hivi ndivyo waru huwa inakaa, matawi ya waru. And then there are some beans there. So actually it is a good place to be. Just come and explore here and then go back at home. Where guys, after I saw this person sleeping over there, I was scared. I was not expecting like I can find somebody sleeping over there. Oh my god, I was scared and I was like, is he alive? Hey, does he has any injury? So guys, I was shocked at first, but I found out that he was just somebody that was just having his rest over there. Yeah, and then I kept moving. So actually guys, I'm on my way back at home now. As you can see, that is our road. It's a tarmac road. Now I will walk and continue walking until I reach home. So thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.